Okay, I'm going to make 2 videos on this topic. I know I need to apologize. I'm later than I wanted, but things happen in life and I do what I can. So anyways, parallel and perpendicular. Parallel are lines that do not intersect or touch. So when I was a kid, they always talked about railroad tracks. Think of railroad tracks going on forever, but they never touch. Now the symbol for parallel is 2 segments next to each other. So the slope of the parallel lines have to be the same. So if one is going up at a certain rate, the other has to be going up at the same rate or they would eventually touch. Perpendicular are lines that intersect or cross at a right angle. Or another way to say it is at a 90-degree angle. So if you have a line doing this, the perpendicular would have to cross, so this, and this, all 4 angles are right angles. Now hopefully you can see if one is going up to the right, the other one has to be going down to the right. Now the symbol for perpendicular is an upside down T. Now this isn't as obvious, I don't think. Part of it is going up to the right, that slope is positive. Going down to the right, that slope is negative. So the slopes are negative reciprocals. Now remember, reciprocal means flip. So if one line has a slope of 4, its perpendicular would be the opposite. This is positive, so this would be negative. Flip it. So let's look at a problem. What's the slope? 4. So slope would be 4 of this line. The parallel slope would be 4. The perpendicular would be a negative reciprocal. Okay, slope 1/3. So the parallel slope would be 1/3. Then the perpendicular, opposite, flip. Opposite, flip. So this would be -3. So this one, the slope is -1/5. This is slope-intercept form. So parallel would be -1/5. This is -1/5 too, if I said that wrong. So the perpendicular would be the negative reciprocal would be 5. So I have 2 problems. Figure out the slope, parallel slope, and perpendicular slope, and then turn me back on. Okay. So slope, 7. Parallel slope, 7. Perpendicular, -1/7. Y equals the number is a horizontal line. The slope is 0. So the parallel slope would be 0 because it's always the same. Perpendicular is the opposite. Now the opposite of 0 is 0. Flip it, putting 0 on the bottom. Wait a minute. If 0's on the bottom, it's undefined. 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 So this is video 1. I'll do video 2 in about 10 minutes.